Hey guys, it's DC and welcome back on my channel. So guys, i-review po natin ngayon ang makeup brushes ng Focallure. Ito ay nagngangalang Snow Elf makeup brushes at it came with this beautiful bag na may pagka-rainbow na prism. Natin. So guys, yung binili ko to nasa isang plastic, naka-separate guys. Para kung hindi nyo panood yung makeup haul ko or yung Shopee haul ko, i-link na ko down below kasi nakalagay doon yung bagong bili ko pa lang to at kahapon lang yun dumating. I made a video that inaayos ko sila parang dun sa picture din na ipapakita ko dito at ipapakita ko na ngayon yung video na time-lapse yun. So guys, napanood nyo na guys. Madali lang naman ayusin guys. Tapos ito na yun guys, yung kinalabasan. Tan 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 tan. So guys, ang hirap lang yan. Dahan-dahan lang, baka masira. Maganda pa naman to. So guys, binili ko to ng 780 pesos. But retail price is $27.99. So here it is. Snow Elf makeup brushes. So guys, sabi niya dito guys, wait lang. I'm gonna take the note. Ayan. So guys, if you don't know, Focallure is a cruelty brand and it's vegan. So this product is upgrade your beauty tools with our new 12 pieces Snow Elf kit. Contains the 12 necessary brushes you need for full makeup looks. I may disagree about the full makeup looks because it doesn't have foundation brush guys. So siguro yung Focallure nag-isip sila ng ano guys, kasi ngayong mga makeup ngayon ay mas prepare nila yung beauty sponge kaysa sa foundation brush. So let's continue. Featuring German nanofibers, soft bristles, gold sterils, and pearlescent white handles, complete with a double-sided brushes back. Okay. So let's talk about the packaging guys. So first about the bag. So I kinda love the concept of the bag and the keychain, also the keychain, because it emphasizes the snow, like snow season, like winter season I think. Yeah, winter season. So this, it says Focallure Color the Life, and it really emphasizes the packaging of the box, like it's rainbow, prism, the theme, and if you're gonna see it inside, you're gonna see the brushes, and it's very convenient because when you're gonna go something like ready to go, like you're gonna get this like go go go. Oh my god, ang corny. It's the packaging of the brush. This is the loose powder brush. So it says here in the brush Focallure, their makeup brand. Kinda heavy, or like kinda heavy guys para sa akin, pero it's okay naman para ano mo yung pagka-powder. So let's start. So guys, already put the primer and the foundation kasi wala nang foundation brush, din natin yun ma-review. So next guys ay ang concealer natin. So I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me That Light. Oh my god, so windy out here, as if you know. So we're gonna use a concealer brush guys. Okay. Let's see if this brush works. Lamay ng pulo. this concealer brush doesn't work for me, guys, because it's hard to blend in here. So I prefer using a makeup sponge. Hard, yo. So guys, let's proceed to the powder brush. Okay, I think this will complete my look. This will complete the concealer here. So I'm gonna use the Fit Me Maybelline, and this is the shade 180 Light Beige. 118 Light Beige here. So there's applicator here, but I'm not gonna use it. So let's hope this works, guys, because the concealer brush doesn't work for me. God, there's so many fall out. Oh, see here, you can see here. Whoa. Yeah. Oh my God. Wait. Yeah. Definitely this brush is what I love, because the cakiness of the concealer has been erased. See that? Let's powder here. Just don't love the concealer brush, guys. I prefer using makeup sponge than that. Wow. So we're done applying our powder in our face. So let's proceed to the next part, guys. So we're gonna go to the eyes now. So I'm gonna use the eyeshadow brush. There's so many brushes for eyes in here, but I cannot use it because it's not beginner friendly for me, because I don't know just anything. Like, I'm not any professional yet. Just gonna apply the eyeshadow here. Then sorry guys, I will learn in the future. I will learn, guys, and show it to you in the future, guys, my skills in eyeshadow. Okay, so ito na, guys. Gagamitin ko ang Sunrise 16 pan eyeshadow palette, and gonna grab the punch pink in the shade punch pink. Gonna apply here. Pigment, guys. Go ahead. Okay. So now we're gonna do the eyes here. So I'm not gonna do my eyeshadow well because I have a hooded eyes, guys, like this. It's gonna see. So I'm gonna use the Pure Nude, the shade Pure Nude, the Sunrise palette of Focallure 2. And then here. Hey guys, disclaimer, guys. This is my opinion about the product. Don't send hate or any comments for me, because I'm just a beginner and learning and reviewing product. Punch pink in the bottom. Yeah. So I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup in my eyes off cam. So I'm done with my makeup in my eyes. So we're gonna next the contour or bronzing. So I'm gonna use this Violet Bows because I don't have any contour, but this shade fits for contour, guys. This brown shade. So this is high in pigment, so I'm gonna use it on my cheek. Oh God. Yeah, it works. So I like this because when you're gonna have this side, and yeah. Oh my god, that's a lot of pigment. Be careful. Don't forget to contour your neck, just also. And then there you go. Smile like the roll. For life to explore, everything takes some time. When you got to the verge, your heart will be the same. So I'm gonna fix this. So now let's proceed to the blush. So I'm gonna use the blush of Focallure. This is Beauty Smashing, and it's a lot of pigment, girl. So be careful. Okay, so you can see here the pigment. So guys, let's contour our nose. I forgot, I don't have eyeliner, guys, so I not use eyeliner. So guys, first, oh no, this is not. My nose, yeah. So guys, I noticed that their bristles parang konti sa kanila, na parang iba-iba yung way ng ano nila, siguro dahil sa pag-manufacture lang siguro to, guys. Pero sana hindi maalis kapag hinuhugasan ko. Oh my gosh, my nose. Oh my god, baliktad na yung ano ng nose ko. So guys, tapos na po ako. And I'm gonna go with the liquid matte lipstick, Kylie Jenner. Okay, I'm done. We're gonna use the setting powder to finish our look. Whew. So overall, guys, I recommend to you guys to buy that product because it's so fluffy and the packaging is such an excellent idea with that. So if I gonna rate out of 10, I'm gonna rate maybe 8 because I kinda have the problem about the PESOS, guys, because some of them like look messy, like may pagka ano guys, para siyang ang gulo-gulo, may pagkagulo-gulo yung ano niya, hindi maayos. Tapos yung dun sa concealer brush, bakit ang hirap i-blend, ganun. So guys, thank you guys for watching. I think sa concealer lang siguro yan. So guys, thank you guys. That's my final thought. Thank you guys for watching, and also like this video and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Wait, what? Okay, subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell for more videos, guys. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye!